Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Super excited to show you all this evening a new designer bag that I just purchased. It is a Saint Laurent blue medium monogram YSL calf crossbody bag. So I'm super excited to do a little unboxing. My husband and I recently just had a trip to Paris and I knew I wanted to make this purchase. Been waiting and thinking about this bag for a while and I'm super excited to share it with you guys and do a little bit of an unboxing. Full disclosure, I have already opened it up and used it once or twice, but I kept all the packaging. My husband thought I was completely crazy flying home with the box, but I told him that was all part of the experience. I couldn't get rid of the box. So this is what it came like packaged. It has a really pretty, nice black box with a really snazzy little ribbon. So when I open this up, box, ta-da, my tissue. Comes with a little black dust bag, Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent is a French designer. They're based out of Paris. So I felt like it was the perfect bag to purchase while there. So this is what it looks like. Seriously, it smells so good. It smells like genuine leather. You can definitely tell the authenticity. It has this really cool little charm on the side. This is kind of what it looks like just over the crossbody. I've got it on the second loop here. Monogram, it's just really pretty. I love the white because it's kind of like an off-white color. It's not like stark white, and the gold is super pretty. It zips this way, and then just getting a little bit closer so you can see that here. Here's the middle. Came with a couple little dust cloths, and there you have it. I love this bag. It's so cute. I'm thinking for spring it's gonna be absolutely perfect. So give it a little bit of a spin. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my review of this YSL crossbody bag. I love this bag. I'm super excited for it. I think the quality for price is absolutely incredible, and I'm definitely going to be putting this to use this spring, summer. So thanks for watching.